Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate your store on Shopify. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. So the first step, we need to go and open our browser here, and then we need to head to Google directly. And from Google, I'm going to search for Shopify, and I'll open this website here, which is shopify.com. And I will log in with my account, and then I'll go to my online store. And now whenever I'm here, I'm just going to click on the apps over here, and then I'm going to search for Duplify. And I click on this app over here, as you can see, to duplicate your store, and I click on install the app, and I wait a few seconds until it's installing successfully. And here it said that this app needs access to view your personal data and view and edit store data. And then I click on install once again, and now here it says welcome to Joblify. So from here I need to connect my store. So either I want to export data to the store or I want to export data out. This depends on what you'd like to do. So if I click on start export, which is in my case, I'll go here and I put my information such as destination store key, store name, notification email, and so on. Or I can choose the other plan, which is I want to export data to this store, and also I'll go here and then I can go further for more information. So this depends on your option. You have the option for the source store or the destination store. So at the end, that was all today's video. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.